Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Wey'ngane zakwethu njani bafethu, ngiyathemba niyaphila bafethu, nami ngiyaphila. Wey'ngane zakwethu kuye kushiwo kuthiwa icala livula ingubo lingene bafethu. Kushubile bafethu laphana kubaba uNgizwe wakamchunu bafethu. Ubaba uNgizwe Mchunu bafethu utholwe inkantolo Equality Court bafethu enecala bafethu. Icala lakhe liqondiswe kubantu labaphila ngalolu hlobo le-LGTB bani kahle kahle bafethu, ningixolele ngabezanga kodwa ile community abantu abaphila ngokuba gay, ama-lesbian, ama-bisexual njalo bafethu. Ubaba uNgizwe Mchunu bafethu ngonyaka odlule if ngingaphazami bafethu, kwavela bafethu ekukhuza ngokwakhe, wayethi ukhuza ibhadi bafethu, noma wayekhuza bafethu lapho into eyayenzakala because kunomshado wawutrenda kakhulu bafethu, lapho khona iy'thandani khona ezobulili ofanayo zidecide ukubopha ifindo likasofa silahlane bafethu, igqoke ilokhu imvunulo yamaZulu bafethu. Kahle kahle uMacingwane ngokusho kwakhe kuleya video wakubalisela, wakubalisa noma wakhuluma ngokuthi kahle kahle lento ngokwe-culture yamaZulu ifana nesichitho njalo ngokuthi kubonala abantu besebenzisa imvunulo kaZulu ukuthi ngokwakhe uMacingwane wagcina bekuthi benze izinto engekho right njalo engafuni ukubeka ngendlela ayebeka ngayo nayo bafethu. uMacingwane wagcina ebekile wachaza nokubaluleka kwemvunulo yakaZulu, ukuthi imvunulo yaZulu ifana nempepho kwisizwe samaZulu. So kahle kahle umebona abantu benza izinto ezikanje, kahle kahle kufanele ukuthi amaZulu evuke umbhejezane ebakhuze, waphinde nje wabeka nje kwabakuningi bafethu. So wagcina evulelwe i-community ye-LGTB bani yona-ke bafethu, le abantu abaphila ngalolu hlobo yamvulela icala bafethu e-Equality Court bafethu. I-Equality Court isigcina isikhiphile-ke isinqumo sokuthi cha impela uMacingwane unecala mayelana ngezinto noma eyazisho lapha noma ney'nkulumo zakhe ayikhuluma ebhekise kulabantu ababethandana abaphila ngalolo hlobo bafethu. Inkantolo ithena uMacingwane icela ungaphinde imbone eparticipate kubantu abamasha noma kubantu abagxeka kulabantu abaphila ngalolu hlobo bafethu. Yaphinde yathi inkantolo futhi icela uMacingwane ekhokhela iy'ndleko zonke zenkantolo zokuhamba leli cala lakhe, ephinde futhi uMacingwane ekhokha imali engango-250,000 efana ne-fine bafethu ebhekiswe kuyena uNgizwe njengoSwazi oluzomshaya bafethu. Yangama lapha inkantolo bafethu, yaphinde yathi uMacingwane kuyomele ukuthi ethathwe eyofundiswa noma kuyomele efundiswe bafethu mayelana ngalaba abantu abaphila ngalolu hlobo ongenani ama-hours alinganiselwa ku-20 or bafethu ngezulu olimi lwezulu ama-hours angama-20 bafethu. Ayicelanga lapho i-Equality Court iphinde yacela uNgizwe ukuthi icela ukuthi enze ividiyo exolise noma enze bafethu noma eposte lapho khona exolisa khona ekhombisa ukuyisola kule community agcine ekhulume kuyo amagama angekho kahle according to yona, ekhombisa ukuyisola. Ekuyisoleni kwakhe futhi yacela ukuthi icela leyo video noma leyo post azoyenza ekhombisa ukuyisola kuMacingwane ihlale kwi-wall yakhe uMacingwane for 3 months, shuthi eyiphile bafethu. Ngamanye amazwi bafethu, noma ubani ozothi mehambe eyosesha uNgizwe laphana ku-Facebook ma-social media uzothi engena nje kuNgizwe Mchunu ehlangane naleyo post lapho khona uMacingwane bafethu exolisa mayelana ngey'nkulumo zakhe azisho eyiqondise lapha kubantu abaphila ngalolu hlobo bafethu. Kuningi ukuphalwa kwabantu, abantu abaningi bakhala ngokuthi basolanga ukuthi inkantolo imshaye ngoswazi olukhulu kakhulu uMacingwane, because abanye bathi njengamaZulu bafethu lento eyayishiwo uMacingwane i-right, noma mhlawumpe engakwazanga kwabanye ukuyibeka kahle, kodwa khona wayeqinisile ukuthi imvunulo yamaZulu ifana nempepho, and as i-culture yamaZulu noma as amaZulu kunezinto esingazenzi mesigqoke leya mvunulo ngoba kunezinto engavumelekile ebukhosini bakamaZulu bafethu. Kuningi bafethu ukuphalwa abantu, abanye abantu bathi uyalayeka uNgizwe bafethu njalo abanye bathi uNgizwe usifundile isifundo bafethu. Kuthini ukuphalwa kwenu mayelana ngesinqumo esithathwe inkantolo isibhekise kuyena laphana ubaba uMacingwane uNgizwe Mchunu? Uzobona ama-comment bafethu. Danko.
All right, guys, according to news, Ngizwe Mchunu, the leader of March and March in South Africa, has lost one of his cases in court today. For those of you who knows Mchunu, you agree with me that Mchunu is someone that has a lot of cases in court. You understand? I think the last case he had in court was with Julius Malema, whom he didn't appear with a lawyer, claiming that he doesn't have a job. That's why he couldn't afford a lawyer. So the case was adjourned for, I don't know, I don't really know, I didn't follow it, you understand. So today he appeared in court again about a case of a particular tribe in South Africa called Zulu. You understand? So according to news, for those of you who don't know, I tried to Google it and understand the case very well because I've not been following it, you get. So according to news, Chunu made a video about some couple last September 2026, some couple, like some two persons from Zulu got married, like the same sex got married, and in their marriage attire, like the attire they celebrated their marriage with was a Zulu well-known attire, and this man called them out. He didn't just call them out for the to condemn the fact that they are the same sex and they got married, but he called them out to condemn the to be calling them names that they are not supposed to where the Zulu tradition, that is it a traditional wear, that traditional wear is just for men. It's not meant for it's not meant for two sex people, I be two same people to get married, and something like that. He didn't end there. According to news, he called them a lot of names, and this case was taken to court. You understand? He has been battling with the case until today. The case was ruled against him. I think that community is called LGBTQI, something like that in Zulu land. You understand? Okay. Now the case was ruled against him today, and a fine of 250,000 their currency, you understand, was asked for him to pay and apologize to the community. I don't know if he is apologizing to the community, to the whole world. I don't know. And he will have 20 hours to undergo a human training, which means Juno is not behaving like a human being. He is not behaving like an animal. He has 20 hours to undergo a human training. Sorry, I'm laughing. No, sorry. He has 20 hours to undergo a human training, and after that, he will have a fine of 250,000 their currency to pay, and apologize to the LGBTQI community. Yeah, I think I got it right. I think I got it right. Okay, that particular tribe is found in Zulu, you get. So he has to apologize to them and undergo training. I don't know if. Now my question is, the last time we saw Chunu in court with Julius Malema, this man made it clear that he doesn't have a job. That's why he couldn't afford a lawyer, because he didn't came with a lawyer. The case couldn't go anywhere, something like that. You understand? I'm still to do my research on that particular case to know where I can pick it from. I can pick it up from, you get. So he said he doesn't have a job. That's why he couldn't afford a lawyer. Now you guys are demanding him for 250,000 your currency to pay as a fine and apologize. Anyway, I think his match and match people are there. I think they will contribute and let the rest for him, like the apologies. He said the apology and 20 hours human training, which means these people are indirectly telling us that Nchunu is not behaving like a human being. He's not behaving like an animal. That's why he has to undergo human training. Is it human right to human training, something like that? Yeah. He issue. That's all that they do for there. The 30th has not reached you. The 30th has not reached. Is it Jacinta Ngubese Zuma account has been bound already? Now you guys are putting Nchunu under a human right training. How to behave like a human. See, like seriously, like this not he has a lot of case. When I did my research, I'll try to be picking up and know the days he will be appearing in court and not like to try to follow up. It is not easy, but I'll try my best. You get, like he has a lot of cases. Hey, the man. Now you couldn't afford a lawyer because you don't have a job. How are you going to do the 250,000? I come in peace. I say, make I carry this to na say, now the one this way I see for media. Oh,
indaba kaNgizwe Mchunu. So uNgizwe Mchunu akisho guys nabazi ukuthi bekahlala pepereza nje LGBTQI+A+. Bekahlala la ama-gay, ama-lesbian ziyakhala ke manje. So the court said that lama statements lawo bekawayenza about the LGBTQI+ community was defamatory. So he's been found guilty. Now he has to pay the 250,000 rands and apologize to the community. I sometimes, guys, it's not about anything, whatever, phobia or lawa corner lao. Just be a human. As it is, just shut up and move on. Again, we're living in a country where if you talk too much, uzo fama court, uzo fama kupatala legal fees. If it's not my lab. Now, there's another court order, LGBT as Khan.
Ungizwe Mchunu under fire again, guys. Like, when is Ungizwe Mchunu going to rest? To just take a break? I feel like at this point, you should just take a break from social media and these much and just rest. Because it's becoming too much, guys. It's really becoming too much, and it is getting out of hands as we speak. Because what do you mean that you are always like up and down going to the court, guys, with things that you can actually avoid, which is just talking too much. Stop talking too much. Why don't you learn from your brother Uphaila Mthakathi? Because he does not say anything. He does not say anything bad or, things that he knows, this one is going to get me in trouble. It's only Ungizwe, guys. Like, at this point, I'm just like, my brother, just stay away from social media. Take a break, a long break from social media. And if it's possible, take a break from everything and just go somewhere. Find yourself, because this is bad. And this lady is talking about the time Julius Malema took him to court, and he said he didn't have a lawyer because obviously he's not working. So where will he get the money to pay these lawyers? And now he's being demanded to pay 250,000 rand. Guys, where is he going to get that much money? Like, Gizwe, yo, yes, yo, manje, because what is this? Yo, this man have been through a lot, guys. He have been through a lot. It's a court case after a court case, and he does not stop talking. He must just keep quiet. He must learn to keep quiet and choose some things when he's on camera to say. Don't just say everything, because you will end up losing everything. Even these matches that you are doing, what are they for if you are losing? It doesn't make sense, man.